Hello everyone. We are going to talk about a very interesting company which is manufacturing personal protective equipments known as Malcolm India Limited. Let's see about Malcolm. It was founded in 1983 and it has presence in more than 50 countries which are present in 6 continents, and they have integrated manufacturer and a distributor for head-to-toe protection. To provide one-stop solution, Malcolm also deals in eyewears, ear protections, disposable synthetic gloves, and harness. One of their significant recent milestone achieved was in 2018 they launched branded products in countries like Iran, Qatar, Nepal, Bhutan, and Bangladesh. Here, these are the milestones achieved in a sequence of periods. Just pause this video and know about their milestones achieved in the past since 1983. Now let's talk about their manufacturing facilities. Their manufacturing units are established over 5 lakh square feet at 7 different locations, and 6 of them are located in West Bengal. They have a capacity of producing over 1.5 million pieces of garments annually using finest craftsmanships and technical fabrics. They also produce more than 1 million pair of leather gloves and 1.5 million plus pairs of nitrile gloves every month. The leather from their shoes and gloves is sourced internally from their tannery, where the company has the ability to create treated leathers also. Now, their products. For head, they have products for eyes, ears, face, skull, and other garments. For hands, latex gloves, nitrile gloves, leather gloves, knitted gloves, cryogenic gloves, polyurethane, and neoprene. For body, occupational wear, functional wear, work wear, disposable wear. Feet, safety shoes, and other shoe accessories. Now it's fall. Harness, fall accessories, arresters, lanyards, and connectors. For fall, it's like when a worker is working in a high construction part, they have their hooks and ropes tied to their uh, safety, tied for their safety measures. So that's the fall part. Now, these products will give protection against abrasion, air contamination, biohazard, bump, chemical splash, cloth tangle, cold and chill, cut, dirt, dryness, dust, and electric shocks. They have these products are bought by customers in industries like aerospace and aviation, agriculture, automobile and auto ancillary, biotechnology, cement, chemical and paints, construction and civil, consumer goods, defense and security, electronics and IT, food and beverages, forestry and horticulture. To have a better idea, you can view these images where these products are actually used in these industries. Now, the revenue part. Sales of manufactured goods accounts to 88% of the total revenue, and sales of traded goods accounts to 12%. And major revenue from significant products are leather gloves 16%, textile garments 30%, nitrile dipped gloves 7%, and safety shoes 33%. One thing to notice here is their geographical revenue. Almost 66%, two-thirds of their revenue comes from their overseas customers, and the domestic just 34%, which is one by third of their total revenue. Now let's talk about their strengths and challenges again. First, favorable demand outlook for MIL products. It's almost every industries and factories will always take care of their employees' safety. So there is always a demand for these safety products. Next is stabilized track record of operations in industrial safety products industry. There, since 1983, they have a very good track record of customers frequently buying every year from Malcolm Industries. Established a relationship with clients across the globe and a diversified product mix strengthen operating profile. This says that they have a end-to-end solution, so Every customer can buy anything about safety products from Malcolm. They have a very broad range of products to offer. Favorable financial risk profile and strong liquidity position. This says that they have a very less debt and a good amount of cash flow in the company. Next is challenges again. Stiff competition in safety wear industry exerts pressure on margin. This says that there are a lot of local retailers in the market. They are also providing local made safety gears to clients nearby. So this is a major concern for this industry, and high working capital intensity of operation and considerable dependence on export remains exposed to regulatory risk. Since their geographical revenue says 2 by 3rd of the revenue comes from their overseas customers. So if there is any excise duty on import export on both the countries from either in India side or the client side, it will be a drawback to Malcolm Industries. Let's talk about the ratios and financials. Market cap of 380 crore and the debt is 42.3 crore. Current market price of this company is 699 rupees and the book value is 194 rupees. Their PE stands at 17.3 and the industrial PE stands at 20.5. Their compounded profit growth for the 5 years is 21% and return on equity for 5 years is 15% and the stock price on a cumulative growth rate of 5 years is 28%. One negative thing to notice here is their compounded sales growth for 5 years is just 1%. They have two wholly owned subsidiaries. One is Malcolm VSFT Gloves Private Limited and Malcolm Safety Private Limited. Yes, with this the qualitative and quantitative analysis ends. Happy to hear suggestions from you. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and stay connected to my channel. Thank you for watching.